Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever in the world you are. My name is Ernest Odell, and today is May the 19th of 2020 at approximately 7:51 a.m. And I just wanted to come to you and give you a short intro into what I do for a living. I've been retired for several years, but I still maintained my digital agency, working with small to medium-sized businesses and large businesses and auto groups around the world. We have an international client base. I do a lot of interviews, shows, live stream with StreamYard, and we work in mentoring and tutoring other affiliate marketing startups. My specialty is in lead acquisitions, um, driving traffic to websites. We have played around with buying pre-qualified leads, interviewed leads, but they don't tend to convert well. I think we talked about this. Catherine and I talked about this yesterday. But other than that, I'm recording this session here, my intro, on Screencast-O-Matic because for some reason I've got a technical glitch that I can't get over on a regular live video. And of course, the Facebook Rooms, which is kind of a competitor to some of the live streaming software that's out there, wasn't feasible either. So I don't know. I figure I can make this and upload it. And Catherine can put it on the group, or I'll send it over to her. But just a little bit about me. I live in Lubbock, Texas. I was born in Corpus Christi, Texas. 67 years old. I was born in 1953. We've lived all over the world. I grew up as a teenager in North Africa, in the Middle East, Europe, Great Britain, learned several languages, and came back to the United States, served in the military, and then went back over in military campaigns and came back to the States. And I have been, for the past 20 years, mostly involved with online marketing and digital agencies. Wanted to say hello to everybody and let you know that I am really glad and honored that Catherine has included me in her group, and I'm looking forward to doing an interview with her on June the 1st when she gets back from her vacation and her family. Thank you again, and look forward to chatting with you all.